Hey there, and welcome to our kitchen. I'm Casey, and this is Jenny, and we're two of Festival's mealtime mentors. Today we're using the slow cooker to whip up a family favorite.
That's right, Casey. Today we're making tater tot casserole.
Okay, so confession, I don't think I've ever had like a true tater tot casserole.
Oh my gosh.
Until this one.
This one is so good, but I
Yes.
had my first tater tot casserole in college.
Okay.
So I didn't grow up with it.
Yeah, I think like a typical tater tot casserole has like cream of mushroom soup and Worcestershire sauce and all of that. This one is more of a Southwest take on that.
So good.
Yes, so lots of great flavors with this one. So to get started, I have some olive oil heating in my pan. We're going to add some lean ground beef and some chopped white onion. And we are just going to let these both cook together until the ground beef is cooked through. All right, so our meat is all cooked through. Those onions are nice and soft. So I'm actually going to turn this off right now and add the rest of our ingredients. So we have black beans that we've drained and rinsed. These are low sodium. We have some corn. This is frozen corn that kind of thawed a little bit. You can use frozen, you can use canned, you can use fresh. Whatever you want will work. And you can even, if you do have frozen, you can use that frozen. You don't need to thaw that. We have some salsa.
So many great flavors going in here.
For sure. We have diced green chilies. Yum. We've got enchilada sauce. So again, all those really tasty Southwest flavors. We have chili powder, cumin, and garlic powder.
So Casey's going to give that a good stir to get everything mixed together. We are using a mild green chili and mild enchilada sauce, but we picked a hot salsa because we both like spicy food, so feel free to purchase whatever fits your palate.
Yes, lots of things can be adjusted in this.
And I'm going to get our slow cooker insert all ready. I'm just going to give it a spray with some cooking spray. You could also use a slow cooker liner, which would help make cleanup super easy,
Yes.
but we're just going to spray this.
All about that easy cleanup.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to pass this to you. Take hold of that. And we're just going to pour all of this beef mixture into our slow cooker, which was pretty simple to put together. Spread that out a little bit. And then, of course, you can't forget
The tater tots.
So Jenny's just gonna layer those on top and spread them out a bit. When we tested this recipe, we had a few fails involving the tater tots. So the first one was we tried to use, there's lots of different veggie tots out there these days, so there's like broccoli and cauliflower. We tried to use a corn one because we thought that would fit really well with the Southwest theme, but they got very mushy.
Yeah, so no good.
No, so the potato ones definitely stand out better to the slow cooker.
Yes.
Another thing that we tried was we thought we were being really creative, and we tried to do tater tots on the bottom and on the top.
Turns out the bottom one's just kind of disintegrated.
Yeah.
So we figured out that on the top is the perfect amount.
Exactly, yes. So that's all that we need.
Yeah. So this is just going to cook on low for about 3 hours until everything's nice and heated through.
All right, so through the magic of TV, we have one version that has just finished cooking. So what we didn't mention yet is when you're cooking this, in the last 15 minutes of cooking, we added shredded cheese on top so that melted through really well. And it looks really good right now with it's like bubbling around the edges. So I think we need to give this a try.
Okay.
Another thing that we forgot to mention too with these tater tots is since we're cooking them in the slow cooker, they don't get super crispy like they might if you cook them in an oven. They do definitely still cook all the way through, and they don't get super mushy like we mentioned with the other versions that we tried. But just keep that in mind.
And to top off our tater tot casserole, we have some plain non-fat Greek yogurt.
Yum.
And a little bit of cilantro.
To complete that Southwest
exactly
flair.
Jalapenos would be really good on here.
Yes.
More salsa, whatever you'd like. So good. This is such a fun twist.
And a really hearty meal.
Yes, I love this.
Well, we hope you try this Southwest spin on a family favorite.
And to get this recipe on your phone, text TOT to 78402.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit festfoods.com.